Where are we? I'm brought back to consciousness by the sound of Millie's voice. Aside from a terrible headache, I seem to be fine and without any injuries. But what in the world happened? Did the enemy hit us with magic? I took a look at the surroundings as I got up. Gradually, my eyes began to focus. What a strange place. There's not a single window. Current coordinates unknown. I actually wonder whether or not this is that horrible, ghastly town in Suikoden 5. Current time unknown. I wonder if you're broke. I know it. You need cleaning up. Don't do that. Oh, this place is pretty. I wonder if I can open this door. What is this place? Seemingly endless white corridors lined with doors of various sizes. Why are we in a place like this? What is it, Vicky? I'm just a little surprised to be back here after so long. Back here? Yeah. This place is my home, you see. I've missed it. Hold on just a minute. It's great this place your home and all, but just what in the world are we doing here? Oh, I can open this door. Let's go. What is this place? Ugh. Ow. Huh? What? Where are we? Except all on top of me. You guys. What the? Oh, Tony! Long time no see. No see. Long time no see. How's that? It'd be nice if you'd get off me. What the heck just happened? Huh? Hey, that's a good question, isn't it? Hey, don't look at me. What's going on, Vicky? A little mistake? A little mistake, you say? No, Meg. Well, why are you and everyone... Daddy? Daddy? Oh, how cute. Huh? Who are these people? Ah, these are your father's friends, but... Tony got married? He's a daddy. Still so cute. Yes, right, but ignoring that. Just what are you all... Oh! Hey, miss Yuzu's coming. She wants fertilizer for pasture. Yuzu's here too. Mr. Tony, are you... Oh my god, Yuzu grew up. What? What happened, Miss Meg? You've shrunk. And Miss Millie and Vicky are here too. What are you saying? Yuzu, you've grown so much. What's everyone so surprised about? For a reunion between old friends, this is kind of going overboard. Maybe we should try asking about it. Millie, what's going on? Hold on a minute. I know you're busy and all, sorry to interrupt, but what is everyone so surprised about? Hey Millie, what's going on? Well, Yuzu usually wastes more than this. She does things like ride sheep and make lunch, you know. So you know all about... So you know this Yuzu girl? Huh, let me ask Bonaparte. Phew. That's it. Could you translate that, please? Mr. Tony! Wait a second. Meg? The pump for the well is fixed. Huh? It's me. Oh, don't tell me. This is when... What the... There's a big one and a little one. Hey. Achoo! What? Yep, if you know Suikoden, you know Vicky. Huh? What just happened? I'll explain later. Though whether or not you believe me, I can't say. Yeah, this is Magical Mystery Tour with Vicky time. Phew, we made it back safely somehow. Though whether or not it's still safer is another question entirely. That was surprising, wasn't it? We saw a grown-up Meg. Why is that Meg? I haven't the slightest clue. Space-time oscillator perceives a time slip has occurred. A time slip, huh? I see. Well, we got back here, so what should we do now? What? A time slip? Time slip. That's not important right now. We've got to find a way to get out of here. What's this time slip thing? I'll explain later. Yeah, that'd be great. Tell me about this time slip thing. Like I said, once we get out of here, I'll... Time slit! Time slit! Somebody save me. Huh? I wonder where my room is now. I really like some tea. Shilton. That's not even a word. The dust is... This is... We're back. I don't believe it. I've said this before, but I've never sticking my nose in other people's business again. What's that sound? It's coming from over there. Wait. Listen. When people are speaking. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, whoa. Well, was there ever any point in that fighting just now? Same point as always. Eventually, you decide who inherits Master's sword. How pointless, after all this time. Besides, it's already been decided. What's that supposed to mean? I mean the same thing as always. Valeria! So, just been wandering around aimlessly. We absolutely have to get back to where we started. Not to mention the right time period. It's fine, it's fine. If it happens again, I just don't worry about it. I mean, how can you not feel safe with that face? Ah, over there is someone there. Hey! Hey! It's nice to hear you shout with all your strength like that. That wasn't me. Hey! Boo! Now, do these two know those two yet? So, why were you two fighting? How can I explain? Just thinking of it, it's a very old score. Right. So once again, you're having a manly argument, right? Hey, don't. Ah! Huh? Ah, that was a sword duel, wasn't it? You could say that. My victory was already decided in our last match. What do you mean by that? Exactly what I said. Right, right. But you two, you're lovers, aren't you? Wait a minute, you? Ah! Huh? What? Well, anyway, what are you two doing in a place like this? I'm on my way back to Turan. I was thinking of heading back south. We ended up together by chance. Right, right. So it's chance. It's not because you're really close friends, eh? You guys are really alike. Hey! Huh? But you're both always drinking at the bar. Really? Hey, don't say any more. Middle-aged women are scary when they're mad. Hey, Meg. Who's this guy? Ah. It's called Nash. Oh. So this dreamy-looking pretty boy is Nash, huh? What? Could you possibly mean me? Ah! Wait. What do you mean, middle-aged women? Who are you calling lovers? I don't think I was the one who said that. No arguing! Falcon Rune! Help me! You can do it. Ah. Choo. Has anyone ever said Vic is dangerous? She really is. She's the most dangerous character in the entire game. So tell me again why you're coming with me. What? So now we got Sheena again with Apple. Sharing a homeland isn't good enough reason. Besides, I'm going to Crystal Valley myself. I'm travelling the world to study just like you. I don't think there's anything wrong with going there once. Even so, there's no need for us to go together. But hey, it's dangerous to be a lady be alone. There's all sorts of thieves and bandits that might come after you. But if that happens, I'll protect you with my awesome sword and magic skills. You got no need to worry. You'll protect me? You'll see. Oh, it's fine if you don't care. It's not like I meant anything special by it. I'm just being polite, you know. You are? I'll admit it. Something wrong? Well, why is exactly Miss Odin coming along then? Well, going at it alone might be a little difficult if we run into someone like Luca Blight or something. Yeah, the contract's already completed. Until you get to Crystal Valley, I'll be protecting you guys. What's this? A lower spat? Who knows? Oh, it's Apple! Somehow we seem to only get teleported to places with people who know these three. Maybe it's some sort of rule. What? Oh, it's that Meg, Vicky and Millie. Didn't Meg and Millie leave over a month ago? As for Vicky, I'm pretty sure she disappeared in the middle of a proud party again. Huh? It's not just those three. Who's that man? Millie jumped to the front of a line, dragging me behind her. Long time no see. Millie? Why are you... The girl stopped halfway through her sentence, as a well-built woman stepped between the two of them. Wait. Millie, who's that man? Oh, these guys are just dragging me along with them. He's a mean person who likes to tease Millie. He's Mr. Bandit. Millie, don't say that. What are you saying? So you're just targeting these three girls. Oh, wait, this is just all misunderstanding. Hey, Millie, say something. What should I do? What do you think, Bonaparte? Cute. I see, I understand the situation. Wait right there, this guy's gonna... Wait. Eh? What? What? Huh? Achoo. Okay, where next? Oh, they disappeared. Ugh, he got away. Ah, we're back here again. And we will be until the next episode. Bye-bye.